Hello everyone, welcome to Maxhub. I would like to introduce, we have a lot of interesting and wonderful products. Let's explore one by one. First is our LED product. This one is all-in-one LED. It integrates with a radar touch module and the speaker at the left and the right side. And it's a COB technology.
Where is the speaker?
LED. Speaker here.
Ah, there,
Yes,
built in.
speaker here.
It's thin. Is it good quality?
Yes, it's very good quality. And for a large space meeting room, you can use our big screen LED.
138 inch.
The size from 120 to 220 inch. And you don't have to install separately with the controller, speaker, and
This is not. There's also speaker down here.
No, speaker only here.
There.
Only here.
Is there like
But you don't have to use the input card, output card, and controller. It's all in one together. And
is it 4K?
yes, it's 4K resolution, and it have SMD and COB technology, both indoor, outdoor, and outdoor LED.
Do you have any school in China that use this screen? Like a really cool school?
Yes, a lot of schools in China use this screen because
This one?
like this one, because in lecture hall and I think and the auditorium room, lecture hall, the big space, the LCD product is not big enough for screen share for display.
Maybe they have two.
Yes, so they have even two is not that good enough. We should use a large screen like LED. It could be all-in-one LED from 120 to 220 inch. Or
This is
it could be-
138. This one.
It's 135, and we have custom LED. Could be assembled to be a limited size.
Is there some idea what could be the price?
Price, different country has different policy. We can
Depend on the shipping. It's big,
yes,
right?
Yes, we have different sales team to can give you the price later.
And can you connect HDMI?
HDMI, yes.
Maybe somewhere behind on the side. Okay, can we walk around here? So at ISE, you were showing these smart educational and enterprise touch displays, right?
Yes, it's education IFP, education interactive flat panel, and I can show you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes, yes. I can show you some functions, some highlight functions. For example, the teacher is giving a formula. Then we can ask AI to give you the answer. For example.
Nice.
And the AI will show the calculate process and the answer to you. It will helps the teacher to improve the teaching efficiency. And you can insert into the note. You can insert.
Nice. Cool stuff.
Okay.
And can we walk a little bit here? What is this little product here?
This is a story machine for primary school students. You can put this card onto on the top of the machine, and then it will start to give you the
I'm Zippy
lesson.
the Busy Bee. I love helping, and I'm ready to share.
You can
Come
change.
on, let's
You can
do.
change the
Watch
lesson.
my super trick.
Nice.
Yes. And
Sweet tummy
according
station.
to the story, it will.
Huh? Where's the snack? I'm too
Does it
dizzy.
use AI for story or is just recorded story? It'd be nice if we could just use AI and tell a story forever. Just continue again and again and
It's
again.
recorded story, right?
Yes, it use AI. You
Use
can
AI?
talk to it.
Or
But
You can actually interact with the bee and you can say, "Hello bee, how are you?
can you give me some honey? And then it will say, no, I need to ask your mom to buy some in the supermarket, you know? Maybe.
Follow app instructions to connect to the network for storage.
No Wi-Fi connection. Is this already on the market?
Yes.
Yes, in now sells on
Where's the
Amazon.
snack?
May I have your name card? Maybe our sales team can contact back to you.
And if I put like the Dino Land right here, then it's gonna turn on the dinosaur stories. It's so cool.
This car you can interact with it.
Dinosaur whistle.
Choose
It
the
has a super long neck that can reach.
What's the price? Is there a price for this? Or hard to say?
now $70 for retail.
What's MOQ?
MOQ 200.
Brachiosaurus.
All right. Did you say how much? 170? 70?
$70.
Can you guess
So
which
100,
dinosaur
1K, or how many?
It has a super
Sorry, it's hard for me to hear. Sorry, I need to tune the volume on my headphones. Thank you. Okay, let's continue this way, around.
Okay.
So this is also Maxhub, this product, did you see?
Yes,
With
all
a
these
little-
are Maxhub. For example, this is our easy class for education. We can generate a lesson, help the teacher to generate a lesson by AI. For example, in previous, the teacher needs to prepare a coursework before a lesson, and they need to take around 2 to 3 hours to find the resources, pictures, information, and then create a PowerPoint. It will take them 2 to 3 hours. But
Now the
for us-
teacher can just wake up, go to school directly, everything's ready.
Yes, now we just need to create a coursework with our AI by 10 minutes.
Just prompt it.
For example, you can give me a topic.
Yeah, can I talk to it?
Talk is,
Oh,
I
it's not-
think input is better.
Okay, so I want to see the relation between the Chinese people and ancient Egypt from around 4,000 years ago.
Which country you from? Which country?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Swiss.
Land.
Yeah,
Right?
let's put this. Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. Okay. For example, the course today is no. And you can select the pages that you want to generate, different pages, 10 to 15. And you can select the language to be English, Indonesia, Thai language, Vietnam, and a lot of Islamic language, a lot of language. And you can select the grade, the high school. And the content for high school will be more harder than the content for primary school. And then you click the generate button to generate the coursework. It will generate content and outline first.
Is it using ChatGPT?
Yes, it's developed based on 5 AI models, including
Maxhub?
ChatGPT.
How about the what's it called? What's it called? I'm using it. Sorry.
It's developed based on ChatGPT and DeepSeek and the Double and the five
Minimax. No Minimax?
No
Your
Minimax.
Maxhub, you should use Minimax.
No.
Okay.
Okay, you can just generate it. And then based on the content, it will generate a more detailed outline. And then you can edit and revise the outline according to your requirement. Then generate a coursework. After you confirmed all contents, you can generate a coursework. Left side is the outline and the content. Middle part is the PowerPoint of coursework. And in the right side is a lesson plan. We not only generate a PowerPoint, but also we provide a lesson plan for the teachers to teach how to teach every page of this lesson.
Is this something your company developed? Your company developed this?
Yes, it's all developed by ourselves.
Very cool. Nice.
And we have 8 million teacher users in worldwide, which means we can have 8 million teachers use it every day for the teaching. And as you know, the feature of AI, you use more, and you use it more and input more information to this AI. Then the AI will output the analysis report more smart, more intelligent for your use.
Nice.
And you can see, not besides the content of knowledge, it will also show the quiz, generate some quiz, can interact with the student.
Nice. And this could be sent directly to the student's laptop or to their phone and stuff.
Yes.
Synchronize. There's so much potential here.
Yes.
I'm really looking forward to AI improving education a lot.
Yes,
hopefully.
And sometimes in the class, in the lesson, teachers and the students may interact with some information.
Yeah. Okay.
Interactive, and they may want to ask. Student may ask some question that beyond the lesson. So we can use the AI chatbot to discuss and ask AI directly. For example.
Nice. Yeah, this is very interesting. So I'm going to check it online later. We can check more about this later.
Hello, please introduce me more information about Switzerland, especially for the economic of Switzerland.
What would be cool is some kind of competition with all the pupils in the classroom can compete on who can answer faster. But that's a different question.
Yes. You can ask the questions to it, and it will reply you.
Okay. Let's go back over here. Let's check. You also are you helping? Is it potentially also for disabled students or?
Yes, these are a skeleton for medical industry. We have two types. One type is a passive type without battery, and another is a battery type. It can provide the active energy to more flexible moving.
Here you have workout machines. If I go here, and you have all these different. So it's also part of your company, all this product?
Yes, this is our subsidiary for the new industries.
All right. Let's go this way. And is this showing some of the smart appliance main board, or what is it?
It's the controller board for electronic products like air conditioner, TV main board, and the main board for refrigerator, washing machine, like that.
Okay, nice. What does this one do?
This is clothes care machine.
Drying the jacket?
Drying and deodorize the smelling after the
making my jacket smell good.
Yes.
Wow. It's shaking it in there.
It's shaking to deodorize the dust.
Nice. That's great. And what does this one do? Can open?
Yes, you can open.
It's a side-by-side product.
So it's a fridge for your jacket?
No.
No? To make it cooler.
No, it is a clothing care machine.
It's also doing the same or different?
No, totally different.
So what does this one do and this one do? What's the difference?
The functions are same. For this machine, we can dry our clothes and we can generate the steam. Use the steam to de-wrinkle your clothes and kill the bacteria and remove the other smells. So for the clothes that like the wool material, you cannot wash them daily. You can put it inside and it will make your clothes refresh.
Nice. All the employees at Maxhub should use this every day, right?
Yeah, of course, we have this product in our
Here's ice cream. No ice cream.
No ice cream.
Okay. Cool. All right, thanks a lot. Let's continue the tour. Here you have AI computer.
AI computer, yes. Computer, we have computer for industrial computer, for production line use, and these are computer for education industry.
So you make laptop?
This laptop for teachers daily work. And
high quality laptop.
Mini PC.
What is the CPU? Do you make any ARM CPU? with the Linux?
Yes, we have a computer developed based on Linux, Intel, and
No ARM SoC.
ARM SoC. I don't know yet, but we have Linux system and
Here, there's a
Windows
bigger
system.
computer.
okay.
There's a roadmap.
And this one is our all-in-one video bar. It has 4 cameras here with a shutter. If you don't use it, it will close. And when you use the camera, it will open. And the speakers at the 2 sides, 2 speakers at the 2 sides, and the 16 microphone, 8 at the left, 8 at the right.
Nice. So high quality, very high quality soundbar. Oops.
And this one is our collaboration board. First is the writing. You can write in here, and if the content is beyond the table, it will just
nice.
extension, and you can delete it, or you can add another one, add another table. Okay.
Cool stuff.
You can circle to delete, or you can one slide to delete all.
Nice. And this is developed by you?
Yes, and after the meeting finish, you can scan QR code to download all the meeting notes.
All right. Nice.
Okay, and you
And what
can
is this,
say
Android?
meeting. We have pre-installed.
Is it Android? Is it Google system?
Most popular meeting platforms like Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, and WebEx. You can input the meeting ID and password to join a meeting, or you can scan QR code. Use your telephone to scan QR code
What is
to join a meeting.
what is the SoC? What is the system? It's Windows 11.
Yes, it's developed. It has a mini PC slot in at the left side, and it's developed based on the Windows 11 Pro.
Okay, so a lot of things happening at the company, huh?
Yes.
A lot of new things every day. How many people in the company? Is it a big company?
Yes, Maxhub has employees more than 6,700. Yes, and since we are a technology-based company, our more than 50% of the employee are engineer-based with engineering background. Yes.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.